Okay, I wanted to make a quick tutorial because I've been looking all over the fucking internet for this and I couldn't find a solution until fucking 20 million attempts over. I'm gonna pop something up on the screen real quick just to show you guys how many attempts this took me. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is the one I'm recording right now, 30. Okay? It took me almost 30 attempts to figure out what the problem was with these 3.5 jack headphones sounding bad and having issues. You hear some little static here and there. And I just want to show you guys what you guys need to do to fix it. And it's really simple. Honestly, you just have to buy something. I'll put a photo up on the screen and I'll put a link down in the comments or the description to what the one I bought. But if as long as you buy something similar and you don't buy these shitty things, here, I'll pull it up here real quick. You see these? You see this? You see this? Don't buy this, bro. It didn't do shit, okay? It did nothing. Buy the one, and this isn't some paid promotion bullshit, whatever. Buy the one that I either put in the comments or something similar with the fucking box, and that'll fix all your problems. I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is me talking now. This is the correct, proper way. Okay, I'm gonna just show you the difference real quick. I'm gonna change nothing, none of my filters, anything. Okay, watch. Okay, this is me talking without that box. You hear the little crackle, the little thing, the static, whatever. It's fucking miserable. I was just looking over that fucking footage. You hear how shitty that sounded? Yeah. Don't don't waste your money. I bought these brand new, okay? And it sounded like that. I have my white headphones. Sounded like that, right? And I couldn't figure out what the fuck was going on. So, save yourself some money, save yourself some time. Don't buy these shitty things. They did fucking nothing. Buy the thing, either what I link in the description or just something similar that has a fucking box, okay? And it says something like a DAC or something. But DACs are expensive, like normal DACs. Just a little mini DAC, a little external sound card, nothing crazy. It'll save time, money, everything. I just don't want everybody to go through the multiple hours I went through looking for this. Thank you guys.